Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. It's officially fall and I'm so excited. I'm going to jump right into the video. And guys, before I start decorate my living room, I'm going to change the window curtain. And I wanted to go for a more neutral, like a beige white. That's the type I'm going for this fall season. And I'm going to add a little bit orange throughout my home, but not too much. The window curtains have been sent over to me. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below for you. If you're looking for a nice blackout window curtains, those one can be a good option. The material is very nice and soft, full blackout. If you're looking for something like that, this can be a good option. Check the description box down below. And guys, I'm going to start by removing the white curtain that I had. And like I said, I want something beige and white, a little bit of brown and orange, not too much. And guys, the way my curtain rods are, I didn't want a long one, and I prefer to add two rod to the side of my windows. That's my preference. But if you want something to black out the whole window, you can add a long curtain rods. But me, that's what I like, that's what I put. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please watch the video till the end so you can see how I transform my living room for fall. Guys, you remember my accent chairs, so I always cover them in white covers. So it's fall, so I didn't want to cover them, I wanted to go bold. So guys, I'll leave them like that and I'm loving it. I want you to leave a comment down below to let me know if you want me to cover them or you like them just the way they are. I have those chairs for a quite while now, but the color, you know, I love white, and they have been gifted to me. and they are so expensive. I didn't want to get rid of them, and I just cover them. But I always bring the color back every fall season, and it's fall, so I think I'm loving it the way it is. So after fall I can cover them, and I think I'm going to add another new accent chair, but as of for now I'm gonna keep those like that. And this is my where I save my vases, and I need something very nice to put in my little table. I have some footage, but I lost them. I apologize, guys. I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. And guys, those are my flowers. I was looking for some nice flowers to put in my little table, but yeah, so I needed something new to add. This is the way I store my flowers. I just moved to the house. I have everything situated yet, but guys, this is what I have so far. I always constantly moving my things, changing, so it's imperative for me to know all everything else, guys. And then bear with me, I'm working on them, and those are my little gadget, my little babies. I always come shopping my home before I go to the store, because I have so many things, so many items. So I always go shop my home first before I go to the store. And guys, I take some branches outside to put on my vase, and I love them. And this is something I start doing instead of me buying the branches. And I just put them on vases, and they last me two weeks. That's amazing. And some of them start growing roots. That's and guys, I really love this so far, and I wanted to put it long. After that I changed my mind. And what I like about it the most is that whenever I'm cleaning, I can just put them apart easily and then put them back together. And the link will be in the description box down below. Everything I use in my video, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. If something interests you in my home, you can easily shop them with no additional cost to you. So if you shop to my link.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it.
And I've been watching the YouTuber Marlene, and then she is so great. And I've been watching her the way she plant, and I start planting. Boy, I can tell you I'm in love. This is my marigold that I planted. I'm so proud of myself. I want to use more natural plant. Remember I told you guys I want to use more natural plant, and those marigold, they look so beautiful in my living room. I love them so much. And guys, thank you Marlene for all your tips, because they help me a lot in my garden. My flowers are blooming.
Sense of it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes.
For the final touch, I'm going to add this floor lamp. It's a smart floor lamp, guys. RBG, Alexa compatible, music sync. It comes with a remote, and guys, I love the look, the design. It's a slick and slim. It doesn't take too much space. You can use it in your living room, bedroom, office, your kid room, everywhere. So guys, it's super nice to have. It's holiday season, so I'm going to bring you all the good stuff. So I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below if something like that interests you. And my kid really love this lamp because of the music sync. They always come in just to make noise for the light to dance. Has so many variety of colors, and it's easy to put together. But my son is going to do it for me because, they want to help me. I'm the super mom. So as you can see, guys, the lamp, it's super nice and super slick design. Really, really like it. So make sure to check the link down below if something like that interests you. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family.
Underground for so long, in the dark, I forgot how the sunlight feels. Hidden just out of reach, down below, waiting for time to reveal 100 new colors in me. Even if it takes 100,000 years to finally shine, unlike any other, something undiscovered, left to crystallize. Give it time, put it under pressure, hold it to the fire, a diamond in disguise, meant to shine. Rough around every edge, but unbreakable. Every flaw tells a story. The rarity, the clarity, it's priceless and unlike anything they've seen. Pulled up to the surface from the dust. Even if it takes 100,000 years, I'll be enough. Shine, unlike any other, something undiscovered, left to crystallize. Give it time, put it under pressure.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.